Hello students, today now we are going to see the problems which are based on basic rules of differentiation. If y equal to u plus b, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. If y equal to u plus b, then derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx, derivative of u with respect to x, du by dx or d by dx of u. Similarly, derivative of v is dv by dx means d by dx of u. Now see the first term, y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 raised to 3 plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to 4. First term is u and second term is v. Y equal to u plus v. Differentiate, you will get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. Now derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Now derivative of u. What is the derivative of u? d by dx of u. d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 1 raised to 3 plus derivative of v with respect to x. v, this is term. Okay, now take the derivative of this term. d by dx of x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to 4. d by dx of u plus d by dx of u. Now take the derivative of this term. How we can take the derivative of this term? Say this term is suppose fx. What is the derivative of fx raised to n? Derivative of fx raised to n is n into fx raised to n minus 1 into f dash x. What is fx here? Fx is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1. What is n? N equal to 3. Derivative of fx raised to n is equal to n into fx raised to n minus 1 into f dash x. What is n here? N equal to 3 into fx. Fx is x square plus 4x plus 1. N minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 into f dash x. F dash x means the derivative of fx. d by dx of what is fx? X square plus 4x plus 1. Similarly, take the derivative of this term. Okay, derivative of this term. Again use the same formula. Derivative of fx raised to n is equal to n into fx raised to n minus 1 into f dash x. What is fx here? Fx is equal to x cube minus 5x minus 2. And here n equal to 4. Derivative of fx raised to n is n into fx raised to n minus 1. What is n here? N is equal to 4. Fx x cube minus 5x minus 2. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3 into d by dx of f dash x. Okay, d by dx of fx. What is fx here? Fx is equal to x cube minus 5x minus 2. Now here we have to take the derivative of this term, x square plus 4x plus 1. Similarly, in the second term we have to take the derivative of x cube minus 5x minus 2. Okay, carry the first term, 3 into x square plus 4x plus 1 square. Now derivative of x square, use the formula derivative of x raised to n, that is nx raised to n minus 1. What is n here? N equal to 2. So derivative of x square is 2x plus 4 into derivative of x is 1. 1 is constant, derivative of constant term is 0. Similar, plus 4, carry this term, x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to 3. Now here we have to take the derivative of x cube minus 5x minus 2. Derivative of x cube. Again use the same formula. X raised to n is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. Here n equal to 3. X raised to 3 का derivative 3x raised to 3 minus 1. That is 3x square. Minus 5. Derivative of x is 1. Minus 2. 2 is constant. Derivative of constant term is 0. So required dy by dx is equal to 3 into this term is 2x plus 4 into this term x square plus 4x plus 1 square plus next one is 4 into this term 4 into 3x square minus 5 ones are 5 into this term x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to 3, which is the required derivative of the given function. The two functions are in addition form, you will get the required derivative. Isn't it? Okay, now you take the next one, which is in the form of u minus b. If y is equal to u minus b, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. When the two functions are in subtraction form, this is addition rule, this is subtraction rule. If y equal to u minus b, then you will get dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Now see the second sum here, which is based on the subtraction rule. Y equal to cot of log x upon 2 minus log of cot x upon 2. Now differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. Now take the derivative. Okay, now see. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx into d by dx of, this is u and this is p, u minus p. U का derivative with respect to x, du by dx. Therefore d by dx of cot of log x upon 2 minus d by dx of log of cot x upon 2 is equal to. Now derivative of cot is minus cosec square. Standard formula, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. In the similar manner, derivative of cot fx is minus cosec square fx into f dash x. So this is minus cosec square fx is log x upon 2 into derivative of fx. What is fx? Fx is log x upon 2. d by dx is d by dx into log x upon 2. Derivative of cot fx is log x upon 2. Derivative of cot fx is minus cosec square fx into f dash x. F dash x means derivative of fx. Here fx is equal to log x upon 2 minus second term, derivative of log is 1 upon, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. In the similar manner, derivative of log fx is equal to 1 upon fx into f dash x. What is fx here? Fx is equal to cot x upon 2. So its derivative is minus 1 upon cot x upon 2 into d by dx of fx. Fx means cot x upon 2. Now this term becomes minus cosec square x, cosec square log x upon 2, 1 upon 2 outside 2 is constant, which is multiple of the function, so take it outside. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x minus 1 upon cot x upon 2 into this 1 upon 2 outside, which is multiple of the function cot x. So 1 upon 2 outside. Derivative of cot x is the standard function. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. So this 2 get cancelled. The required dy by dx is equal to minus cosec square log x upon 2 divided by 2x. Minus into minus is plus. 1 upon cot. 1 upon cot is tan. 1 upon cot x is tan x into cosec square x, which is the required dy by dx of the given function. First one is in addition form, addition to. Second one is subtraction form, subtraction to, u minus v. And third one is if y equal to u into v, then dy by dx is equal to u into derivative of v, u into dy dx of v plus v into dy dx of u. This is the product rule of derivative. Where we use the product rule? If the two functions are in product form and we have to differentiate. Now the third sum we take on product rule. Y equal to 1 plus 4x raised to 5, 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. Now here, what is u? U equal to 1 plus 4x raised to 5. What is v? 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. It means this function becomes y equal to u. If y equal to uv, differentiate this. What is the derivative of uv? If the two functions are in product form, derivative of uv is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to u into dy by dx of v plus v into dy by dx of v. Now substitute the values of u and v here. So you get dy by dx. U is 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into dy by dx of v is 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8 plus v is 3 plus x minus x square into dy by dx of u 1 plus 4x raised to 5. Now here we have to take the derivative of that term, which is next to the dy by dx. dy by dx के आगे जो टर्म है सिर्फ उसी का डेरिवेटिव आपको लेना है, बाकी टर्म्स कैरी है. So this becomes 1 plus 4x raised to 5. Now here use the formula fx raised to n. fx raised to n का डेरिवेटिव n into fx raised to n minus 1 into f dash x. So its derivative is 8 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7 into dy by dx of fx is 3 plus x minus x square plus next term 3 plus x minus x square into derivative of this term. What is the derivative of this term? Derivative of 1 is 0. Sorry. Now here 1 plus 4x raised to 5. Power is there. So first use the formula fx raised to n. Fx raised to n. What is fx? fx is equal to 1 plus 4x. fx raised to n का डेरिवेटिव है n into fx raised to n minus 1 into f dash x. So here 5 into 1 plus 4x, 5 minus 1, 4 into d by dx of fx. What is fx? fx is 1 plus 4x. So this becomes, take constant this outside, 8. Derivative of this term 3 is 0. Derivative of x is 1 minus x square का derivative 2x into 1 plus 4x raised to 5 plus this 5 constant number, take it outside, 5. Take the derivative of this term. Derivative of 1 is 0, 1 is constant. Derivative of constant term is 0. Derivative of 4x is 4. 4 into 5, 20. So 20 into 3 plus x minus x square into 1 plus 4x raised to, which is the required dy by dx of the third one. Okay, now one more. The fourth one, if y equal to u upon v, then dy by dx. What is dy by dx? v into dy dx of u minus u into dy dx of v upon v square. Okay, we are going to see the sum which is based on u upon v. That is the fourth one. Okay, y is equal to e raised to 2x minus e raised to 2x. Y equal to e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus